Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. We got more today. I was doing a 2025 DIY outdoor project. Well, it gets dark early, so I had to bring it in. It's 5:42 now, and it's dark outside. And it's cold. It was warmer. It's 50 degrees, so I was outside redoing this fire pit top again. I don't know if you remember, if you saw my video when I did it last year with some wire that I had, and it didn't quite cover the whole thing. So I have finally purchased some chicken wire, and I put the first layer on here, covered it across this way, but it's still not quite long enough to cover the whole thing. So the chicken wire stops here, and it stops here. So there's a gap on each side. So to reinforce it, I'm going to take another piece of chicken wire that I cut and come across the opposite way. Like this. So what I start out doing is cutting this middle part here so I can pull this handle up. That's what I did with this one. So I'm going to sit this here and get it even on both sides. And then I will clip the wire right in here, somewhere in here, so that I can put that handle up through the chicken wire. So I'll cut it there, and then I'll cut it here. I need to get my snips. These scissors are strong, but I do need my snips. But I don't feel like getting up off this floor. So then I'll have to cut here and here to fit it through. So I'll just pull it up through like that and push this wire that I cut down. I can secure that later because I'm going to put some wire, crisscross it here to hold that in the middle. I think I'll do that right now. I'm just going to cut a piece and wrap it around a couple times. So I'm going to stick it in this crisscross of these bars. Take it under the handle and cross over the bars and take it down in there. Then I'll flip it over and tighten it on this side. Then I'm going to bring it back through and tighten it again. So get that through on both sides.
It has just been an amazing week. You know how you just feel blessings? Like, you feel blessings. Like, you just feel blessings of the Lord just all over you.
Flip it back over. Find those two wires. Here's one. Here's the other one. Right here. I'm going to pull them tight with my pliers. Pull it up. Pull this side up good. And then twist them.
It's like we want what we want, and we want it right now at this very moment. We might want to move at this very moment. We might want to be making money at this very moment. We might want to be in a different.
And then I'll take it back through
It's just so many
and bend it under. Twist it real tight. Grab that other side and twist it tight as well. Now what I'll do, let's take some wire and attach this down on both sides. Got my pliers also cut wire. Okay. Now I'll smooth it over this way. This project is a little time consuming, as I can see. It's going to take about an hour, a little longer than I anticipated on recording. So I'm going to fast forward and get you updated so as not to waste your time.
1 hour later.
Videotaping because it was taking much too long for me to get 2 layers of this chicken wire on here. So I'm just going to show you the end results, and then I will be spray painting this same color, olive. So it's pretty sturdy now. Hopefully the fire won't burn it up. But what was taking so long were these end pieces that I had to make sure were down and not sticking me. Not to stick anybody who handles this. But I think I did a pretty good job. It looks so much better, so much sturdier. They just don't build these things right. They don't use the right type of mesh wire, and it burns out. So I got 2 coats, 2 layers of this chicken wire. We're gonna see how long this lasts, because it's a sturdy. My other one burnt out. Haha. This one is sturdy. This one's real thick. But you know, the one I had in the front yard, the real tall, pretty one. Yeah, I burned that out. It fell apart, and we had to get rid of it. So I brought this one up front. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I'm gonna show you a picture when I get through painting it, and I'm done. Hit that like button and leave me a comment.